Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I invite you to join me for another relaxed chat where we explore a variety of topics. I received quite a few questions via email and I wanted to take this opportunity to address those I haven't yet been able to cover in a video. So let's dive in and discuss. The question for today was about how to cast circles, if casting circles is necessary or not, and why do we need to cast circles? So let's answer to these questions. But first, I think that we have to dive into an introduction to find out why circles are powerful in magic in general. You see, the circle is one of the most ancient and universal symbols in spiritual and magical practices. In the occult, the circle represents wholeness, protection, unity, and infinity. It is the container of power. It creates a sacred space where the physical world and the spiritual realms actually intersect. Yep. So, whether you are casting a spell or you are communicating with spirits or practicing meditation, the circle serves as the boundary between the mundane world and the mystical, offering both protection and, most importantly, I think it helps you to focus. It's the same thing as with candles. You see, you light a candle before you start the ritual because it sets a signal to the subconscious mind of yours that you are about to do something special. Before diving into the how-to aspect of casting a circle, it's crucial to understand its historical roots and symbolic power. The circle has been a prominent feature in religious, mystical, and magical tradition from all around the globe. In the Celtic culture, for example, the circle was seen as a sacred space representing the universe. Alchemists viewed the circle as a symbol to represent the serpent eating its own tail. Yes, symbolizing eternity and the cyclical nature of the very existence. In other magical practices, the circle represents the universe and the unity of all the elements like the earth, air, fire, and water. In Kabbalistic traditions, for example, the circle often symbolizes the unbroken flow of divine energy. The symbolic meaning of the circle plays into why it is so effective. By casting a circle, practitioners tap into ancient archetypes and also they are able to channel the power of the universe here on the material plane. So even if you don't believe in this stuff, but if you still choose to cast a circle using your imagination, for example, you'll have this protective barrier around you for the simple fact that this symbol has been charged by generations of people. So even if you don't believe it, will still work for you because the action was repeated over and over again by generations of people. So it cannot fail you. Casting a circle is a foundational practice in many forms of magic and witchcraft. The purpose varies depending on the tradition, but generally casting a circle has the following functions. The circle is used for protection. The circle acts as a barrier shielding the practitioner from unwanted energies, entities, or influences, and it creates a sacred space where only those energies invited by the practitioner can enter. Within the circle, energies are concentrated and focused, which enhances the power of spells or even meditations that you are doing in that specific circle. This amplification allows the practitioner to be more effective in directing their will and their intention. Also, the circle is believed to facilitate a connection between the earthly and spiritual realms. So it becomes an in-between worlds area where communication with the divine or spirits is highly possible. If you search on the internet, in their exploration of consciousness, even in the CIA gateway process, we also see how a bubble of protection is used by the practitioner who chooses to go this route. Now let's move on how to cast a circle. Now that we've explored the theory behind circles in magic, let's dive into the practical aspect. Casting a circle doesn't have to involve elaborate tools or complex rituals, but if you want to go that route, I have 2 rituals for you. In fact, I believe that simplicity can be incredibly effective. The circle is all about your intention and your focused energy, so you can create one in your imagination anytime, anywhere, and it will be just as effective. One way to cast a circle without any tools is through a simple ritual like the lesser banishing ritual of the pentagram. I mean, it's not that simple, but also I don't view it as overly complex. In this ritual, you can use visualization and intention to create a circle of protective energy around you, and this ritual is potent and easy to do even if you are new to the practice. Another great method that you can combine it with the lesser banishing ritual of the pentagram is actually the middle pillar ritual, which focuses on building a sphere of energy around your body. So these 2 rituals right here have been used by so many people that they are bound to work for you because they have been charged by so many people. So if you want to know how to do these rituals, you can see them on the screen right now, or you can just search on the internet how to do them. But these are just 2 methods of casting a circle or creating a bubble of protection around you. But if you don't want to use this method, you can just use an alternative which is way easier. For this, you have to close your eyes, or if the situation doesn't allow it, you can just stare into the void with your eyes open. Then you can visualize spheres of light all around you, which are bright and brilliant, and they are all around you. Then you can imagine these spheres connecting with a bluish electrical light, creating energy lines all around you and ultimately forming a circle. Then you can visualize this circle morphing into a dome of electricity that envelops and protects you. And voila! You are now sitting in a circle of energy that keeps unwanted entities, vibes out of your way. So you can use your own imagination to cast circles of protection around you. You don't need complicated tools to cast an effective circle. It's your intention, imagination, and focus that matters most. So whether you are practicing the lesser banishing ritual of the pentagram, the middle pillar, or other ritual, or just doing this quick visualization of casting a circle around you, you can conjure up a potent circle whenever you want. And sure, there are more complex rituals out there if you like to go big, but I am a fan of keeping things simple. And I use this method of casting a circle almost daily. For example, when I am having a meeting in the office, I cast a circle around me. Before grocery shopping, because no, I don't need to pick up anyone's dress while I'm choosing my groceries. And also I do it before bed. So yes, I even cast a circle before bed. Why, you may ask yourself? Well, because I believe it protects me from bad dreams. Now you may say, well, isn't that just a placebo effect? Maybe it is, but hey, it works for me. And let me tell you a little story. A few months ago, I was working with some entities just for experimentation purposes, and I skipped my circle casting. which was a big mistake. Because that night I had the most intense, unsettling dreams. So yeah. Anyway, since I've had many experiences like this, I now almost always cast a circle around myself before bed just to make sure that I'm left alone to sleep. So whether you are new to the occult or a seasoned practitioner, casting a circle can enhance your spiritual journey because it will offer both protection and the concentrated environment for magical work. And as you practice, you will find that the circle becomes your allies because it offers you a state of clarity of mind and tranquility. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.